Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce Hair. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some of the raw virgin hair stocks here we have. And here this part is the straight texture, and which is a natural stage of Chinese raw virgin hair. And this is the body weave texture, and which is steam process to achieve this texture. We know that all Chinese lady are actually basically or are straight texture, like this type of straight. And we actually all this hair are sourced from the Chinese young woman healthy hair, and we use the best quality and good quality one to weft to make this type of weft. Look, this is very beautiful and very this is a dark color. Chinese hair are tend to be dark color, not one be black, but some people have a little bit like darker or browner in the tone. But look at this hair. The hair is really naturally beautiful color and very healthy color as well. We believe that the dark hair for dark color hair means the hair is healthy and the lady is healthy. We only use the good quality ponytail to achieve and to weft, and the low quality hair or the dyed hair or that kind of processed hair, we will not take their ponytail at all. And this is the hair itself. This is the 16 inches, and here that is the here on this part there are some body weave hair we have. Let me show you, because as we know Chinese hair are all straight hair, so you want it in most natural states and very natural states, you take this straight texture. But if you want some wave hair, and you take this type of body weave, and this is steam processed, and which will not hurt the quality of the hair. Also very beautiful, dark color, and the end is also very full. And this hair is 100% cuticle aligned because it was cut from the ponytail and weft only. So all the hair are 100% cuticle aligned, only wash and weft, so all the cuticle are intact, 100% intact. You can use a microscope to check the cuticle. It's very healthy, and so this hair can last for a very long time. And let me show you one more. Chinese hair tend to be very thick in every strand, and it can blend with any type of hair really well, and it can be bleached into any type of color, like you want to 60 color or 613 color. You just take this hair and then bleach like yourself. Even you are not so much technical, this hair can take the bleaching and to the light color, really beautiful. So now we actually sourced more and more hair, and we do have some very long hair, like 30 inches or plus, like 30, 32 or 36, 38. If you want a very long hair, you can also place order. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Have a nice day.